Hi guys, welcome to the Python programming tutorial session. Today we are going to discuss about the Python variables. So guys, let's start. Let's start with the variables. A variable is a name, location used to store data in the memory. It is helpful to think of variable as a container that holds the data that can be changed later in the program. Okay, so I'm repeating the next time. A variable is a named location used to store data in the memory. It is helpful to think of variable a container that holds data that can be changed later in the program. For example, here I can write the variable say number that's contain the value 10. Okay, a number that's contain the value 10. If I print the number, if I print the number is give us the output 10. Okay, but later in program, after printing the number, if I change the variable number as the 12 value 12, the value of the number is changed. If I print this number, this give us the different output. Let's see. First one give us the 10 and the second one give us the 12. Okay, as per the first one and give us the 10 and the second one give us the 12. So variable is a named location used to store data in the memory. That's variable number used to store the data 10 in the memory, and it is helpful to think of variable as a container that's hold the data. Okay, here variable is just like a container that's hold the data 10 and that maybe changes later in the program. Okay, you can see here we change the data with the 12 in the later in the program, and the data 10 is override by the data 12. Okay, and let's print it as 12. So it's variable. Okay, uh, next, initially you can see here initially the value of the number is 10 and later is changed to 12. Okay, you in Python we do not actually assign the value of the variable. Instead, Python give the reference of the object value to the variable. Okay, so to assign in a value in any variable, you use the assignment operator that is equal to. Okay, that is equal to. In case of another example, okay, if we see that here we use another example like anything var that's contain a string apple. Okay, if you want to print this variable var, it's give us output as apple. Okay, let's run it. It's give us the output as apple. Okay, you can see here var is the variable and it's containing the data that is a string type data. Is data is apple, and when we print it, it's give us the output as apple. Okay, uh, we assign in the value apple to the variable using the assigning operator. Okay, next you can change it as like that. You can change it from like previous one var equals to, if I think, mango. Okay, next if we print the value of var, let's give us the output mango. Okay, at first we assign the value apple, then we print it, and next we assign the mango value in the same variable var, so it's overridden and it gives us the another output mango. Okay, that's variable. You can also assign in the variable in like another way. And here is multiple variable like a, b, c. Okay, if you want to assign the value like 10 comma 12 comma 13, it's assign the values and respectively. That means in case of A the value is 10, in case of B the value is 13, and in case of C, sorry, in case of B the value is 12, and in case of C the value is 13. Let's check with the print comment. If I print A, only A, it's give us the output of 10. Okay, let's see, it's given the output of 10. If we print only B, it's give us the output as 12, and if we print it's at C, it give us the output of 13. Okay, on this way we also can assign a value into the variable. Okay, and here is another thing, if you want to assign the same value into the variable, you just write the variable names like that, a equals to b equals to c, and the equals to the value 10 if you want to assign the value 10. Okay, let's, if you print the value of a, b, and c, it gives three output, 10 10 10 10. So you saw that here is the all the variables contain the same value. So in this case we also write it. Okay, you can assign a string value here also. Okay, if I treated the 10 as a string, to let better to same value. Okay, we assign the value, same value, into the three variable, and let's print it. It's give us the three output, same value for A, this same value for B, and this same value for C. Okay, this total thing about the variables, how to assign the variable, how to define the variable, how to print a variable, how to print a string, how to assign a string value into the variable.